and decay is around me every day. And much of it, I think, is actually very beautiful.
This symbiotic relationship between decay and renewal exists across nature. It's in forests, in oceans, from the smallest organisms to the largest animals. Natural decomposition is what allows new life to emerge. In the ocean, this cycle moves nutrients through the entire ecosystem, and kelp helps to drive much of this process, forming underwater forests, stabilizing habitats, storing carbon, and regenerating rapidly. Humans are part of this cycle too, but in death, we rarely think of our bodies that way. In the US, our burial practices break this connection. Embalming leaks toxic chemicals into soil and groundwater. Cremation releases heavy metals and pollutants. Sealed caskets introduce mercury, lead, and cadmium into the earth and actually prevent our bodies from returning to it. Natural burial offers an alternative. In the last 2 decades, the green burial has grown quickly, with around 470 certified green cemeteries across the US and Canada. People want practices that are both ecologically aligned and culturally meaningful. How we bury our dead matters. I think burial has always been a ritual of care, and beauty, symbolism, and clothing all carry deep emotional significance. So what someone is buried in becomes their final act in this cultural tradition, which is why we need natural options that are visually and emotionally compelling. I think that kelp-based materials can help this be possible. They decompose quickly, they enrich soil and strengthen the conditions that support natural microbial activity. Sodium alginate, a biopolymer from brown algae, goes further, improving soil structure, water retention, and slow nutrient release as it breaks down. So learning all this, I asked, how can we prepare our bodies with materials from nature so that we can return to nature in a way that's both beautiful and meaningful? And my answer is final form. So I developed a seaweed-based biomaterial that biodegrades within weeks. Using sodium alginate blended with vegetable glycerin, blue-green algae powder, coconut oil, and water, it dries into this thin, fabric-like textile that can be shaped and tailored into a burial garment. The suit decomposes alongside the body, contributing minerals to the soil while also honoring the emotional and aesthetic weight of burial. It reframes death as both an ecological return and personal expression. A burial practice that heals the ground, supports the ocean, and preserves beauty and meaning. I imagine a future where our last act becomes a gift back to the earth.